In this lesson, we're going to take a look at the Vault Explorer, which is included in 3ds Max 8. As you may know, the Vault is a database asset management system that has been included with a lot of other Autodesk products and now is integrated into 3ds Max 8. What the Vault allows is several artists to use the same assets in a group in a database structure. We're going to do a quick overview of what the Vault does and how it works. So this is what you will get once you log into the Vault system. In this case, we have here the Vault Explorer main folder, and we're going to add some assets into the Vault. So we'll create two folders. One we're going to call Scenes and click OK. And next we'll create another folder named Maps. This gives us two folders in our Vault Explorer, and we'll add some files. So we'll go into the Maps folder and click on Add Files. From here we can go and add a couple of bitmaps from our resources, and you see we get this dialog that allows you to set several options. So we can check out the files, which means that we'll be using them for corrections, and we can check them back in. And we can also delete the local copy. This will delete the local copy and add it into the Vault. In this case, we're not going to delete our local copy. And we can go file by file and add different comments if we like also. As you can see, we have two files now displayed in the right-hand pane, and when we select one of them, we get some details in the bottom right. We have the file name, the version number, and who created the file, and when it was checked in. If someone else decides to check out the file and then checks it back in, we'll get another version number as well as who created it and when it was checked in. And this is a really great way to keep track of your files. So we'll just add some scenes to the Vault and just select a couple of scenes. You see we have the same dialog, and we'll click OK. And the files have been added into this folder, and we can add some comments if we like. We can also see who the users have been, where it has been used. So if we select a map, you can see where it's used in the scene and which Max files use this scene. Right now we don't see any dependencies because the map was added independently of any Max file in this case. You can right click and check the file out if you want to work with it. We can get previous versions if we want to do a rollback, or get the latest version. And we can also create a shortcut, delete or rename. If you want to, you can go to the working folder and just open up that folder in a Windows Explorer window. If I go to View, we can see that it's going to launch 3ds Max or whatever file is associated with that, and we can see the contents of the file itself. In this case, we can see that we have our tree here. If we open up the Asset Tracking dialog, you'll see that we have these locations for the file, and the status of the file is unknown. We'll see in a later lesson how to manage these files. We'll get back to the Vault. So basically, it's a database system that allows you to keep track of your assets that you're using in different projects or scenes, and store them in a central server so that everybody has access and can work together on large projects. You can also search for things in the Vault by using the find and just type in look for. Basically, that's how we work with the Vault, and of course it has many more options for you to look into in the future.